Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my March Boxycharm unboxing. Here it is. I noticed when this came in the mail that it is significantly bigger than my usual Boxycharm. You guys know it's usually like a much smaller box. So I don't know if I got one that was the premium one or Boxy Luxe. I'm not really sure because I've never gotten a Boxycharm this big before, so I was pretty curious. You guys know that the last couple months we've been a little about Boxycharm, like haven't been too impressed, or maybe there was just like one thing that was good, but it really depends on like what you think is a good box, and it like depends on the things that you value in a box. So there have been really good boxes, like a lot of things that I've gotten I am still using to this day, and I really enjoy a lot of the things that I do get in my Boxycharm, so it definitely can be worth it for sure. And I have been enjoying filming these for you guys. So if you want to find out what is in my March Boxycharm, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to hang out with me more. Tap that little bell so you guys will get notifications on your phone and your email when I upload. And let's get on into seeing what is inside here and why is this thing so dang big this month for me. I'm gonna do what I usually do. I'm just gonna reach my hand in and I'm not gonna look because I think it's just more fun that way and it's more of a surprise. So, what is this? Ooh, we have a little mini curling iron. So this is from Sutra Beauty, mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. That is so cute, especially for like travel. If you this is really cute, especially for like traveling, if you want to just throw this in your suitcase. Or this would be really cute also if you have like one of those cute little like lob haircuts and you have a little less hair to curl. I feel like something like this would come in useful. So that is the first thing I pulled out. It's pretty cool. Okay, next item is this Living in Color palette. Hank and Henry. Okay, so Hank and Henry, they have been in previous boxes. It's more like one of those indie brands. So I actually used their liner today that I got from Boxycharm, and I love their liquid liner. Maybe their other products are as good. This is what it looks like. And ooh, the only thing about this, ooh, the thing just fell off. Like these colors are so pretty. We have some really pretty jewel tone shimmers, and then you have some mattes in the middle. So I definitely am curious to try this palette, and I love like this teal color right there. That is gorgeous. The only thing is that it's so big. Like, why does the palette have to be so chunky? Because it makes it harder to store. Like, look how thick that is. I feel like they could have literally cut this in half and made the palette so much thinner. So that's my one gripe with the packaging. But it does say that the 9 shades are vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So that's a fun palette. We will see how that works. That's fun. I always love trying new eyeshadows. Here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this one. I have been wanting this so bad, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the limited edition Pharmacy Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I had seen some people post about this on Instagram, and I was like, I really want that. I love cherry. You guys know I've been talking about that cherry powder that I have. And this brand, Pharmacy, is really good. They make the Honeymoon Glow face serum. It's kind of like the Drunk Elephant night serum, but I have had samples of that before and I really liked it. And I really like their products. So this says it's made exclusively for Boxycharm, and it says it's infused with vitamin C, acerola cherry, and it just basically melts away your makeup. So I love using products like this for a double cleanse. So I use this first, put it on my face, then put water on to kind of get all that first layer of makeup off. And then after, I will go in with just like a regular cleanser and my Michael Todd brush. So it's cute because they put a little spatula in there right on top. And then when you open the product, it smells really good. Actually, it does not have fragrance in it, which is kind of shocking. Cherry extract is like the first ingredient. It also has sweet almond extract, sunflower seed oil, soybean oil, turmeric root extract. Looks like kind of a main active ingredient. So it's like a skincare item that I would get, as you can tell, really, really excited over. So this is such a great item and value. I cannot wait to use this. I have a feeling that this is gonna be like one of my favorite cleansing balms. I don't know. I'm just guessing that it might be, but I'm very excited about that, as you can tell. And is there like one big thing in here? I feel like Sponge Gel. Oh my gosh, I've seen these before. Sponge Gel French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. Now I like these because I could just throw it in my shower. I don't have to kind of worry about a place to store it because, you know, like my storage space is limited. So if I could just throw something in the shower, I love that. So this is a body wash infused buffer. So basically what it is, you run it under water and you can just use it as a little body wash. That is so fun. It smells kind of, I don't love the smell. It has like more of a very like cologne-y, perfumey kind of smell, which I don't really like. It doesn't smell like lavender to me. So not a fan of the scent, but I like the concept of this. So that's cool. I don't think there's anything else in here. No, there's not. Okay, so pretty edgy. Oh, there's one thing I missed because I just saw it. Okay, so this is, oh, Becca Glow Gloss. So this is the lip gloss. It's called Camellia, and it looks like it's a kind of a bubblegum pink with shimmer in it. So this is another really good item in here. I had been wanting to try the Glow Gloss because I had seen it so many times at Marshall's and TJ, but I never kind of like pulled the trigger on it and purchased one. So this is really exciting, and it's a really pretty color, great for spring. Not necessarily super duper bright, not necessarily like a nude, kind of just an in-between pretty Barbie kind of pink color. Now we can read the pamphlet. The box is so big, I missed that item. The Sutra Beauty Mini Curling Iron, that is $50 retail. The Pharmacy Cherry Cleansing Balm is $34. The Hank and Henry Color Eyeshadow Palette is $27. The Becca Glow Gloss retails for $22. And the Sponge Gel Body Buffer retails for $16. I don't think this was a premium box. I just think the items were bigger, so they had to put it inside a bigger box, which is fine. So I added up all the products and it comes out to $149 retail, $25 for the month, and then the retail value $149. So that is a great savings there. If you were to buy all these items, you would have spent $149. So what are my thoughts on this box? And actually, let me tell you what my number is. My box is number 25. So there's that in case you guys want to know. And I don't know the weight of it. I know some of you guys asked me. Box 25 in case you were wondering. So I do think this was a good box. We got the curling iron, the gloss, the cherry bomb. I think my two favorites, I mean, the palette is really pretty. Granted, you know, I've never tried any shadows by them before, but this is kind of cool. The curling iron's kind of fun. I have really long hair, so I feel like it would take me 20 years to use that. But if you have short or like a bob or a lob kind of haircut, I think that would be good. So I think my two favorite items are, number one, you guys know this one, the Pharmacy Cherry Bomb. This is like made the whole thing worth it for me. And then the Becca Glow Gloss. This is my second favorite item in the box. So that is it. Let me know if you guys got the same box as me. What are your thoughts? If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm and get all these goodies for $25 a month, then I always have it linked in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so I get like a small portion of money from that. So, and I always appreciate when you guys use my links. It just means so much to me. And if you want to test it out for a month, you can do that. See if you like it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my March Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know your thoughts on this month and what your favorite item was from Boxycharm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.